Hi guys, so we're here at the Test Drive Festival. So a lot of brands are here that you can test drive. So we have Kia, we have the UAAG Auto Group over there. So they have Radar, Cherry, Jetour, Lincoln Co, Baik, Moda MJ Crew, Geely, dyan yung Geely. And then we also have BYD, Tesla, Toyota, GAC, um, Kia. Maraming brands. So, yeah. There's also Honda pala. Then Tesla. Here's Toyota. So, BYD nandun sa dulo, likod. Meron ding mga on-site bank approvals dito. So, here's Kia. Yeah, so if you can come guys, hanggang Sunday yata sila dito, May 7. So starting today, Thursday, May 7 to 12, I think. So Sunday. So ayan, Jetour T2 na hybrid. Someone's doing a test drive. So yeah, if you could check out, guys, this is your chance to test out a lot of electrified vehicles. Hybrids, plug-in hybrids, full EVs. Now's your chance to do the test drive. So we're just here to check out the brands. Ito yung mga radar pickup. Just here to check out the brands. But hopefully we'll come back and do some test drives. Probably this weekend. Pero ngayon, konti tao. So expect this on a weekend na this will be jam-packed. So yan.
We're ready for more.
Guys, sa Jetour bike. Kasi may silong. There's the Cherry Tigo Revs here. There's bike over there. B30 dun. Bike B30 dun. Na hybrid. Ganda, no? Ganda ng kulay na to. And I also like this B40 Trailmaster na REV. Range Extend vehicle. I was hoping I could test drive this, but siguro sa weekend na. I wanna test drive this. Jetour T2 plug-in hybrid. Meron din yung X70 plug-in hybrid. So maraming plug-in hybrid din. Yun guys. So visit the Mall of Asia concert grounds for the Autofocus Test Drive Festival. They're here until May 12. So starting today, May 7, Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Or yeah. Yeah, so pwede kayong pumunta dito to test out the different plug-in hybrids, full EVs, guys. Mall of Asia concert grounds.